Hey folks, PK here. I'm here at the Willamette River. I'm taking my son out to go fishing. It's a little windy on the coast, so I'm going to stay close to home. And we're just fishing on the bank, and we're using corn, and we're just going after whatever bites. I think a 6-year-old doesn't really care what's biting as long as he's catching fish. So it's a little windy today. All right. Let's start fishing, okay, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Whoa! Jesus! That was crazy! It's safe to say it's pretty windy today. Dang. Let's see if there's any branch that can fly off where it's gonna hit us. I think we're okay. You okay, buddy? There's another one.
Yeah, I'm okay.
That's nuts. Okay. I'd like to see the whole tree fall down. That would be cool. All right, let's hurry and bait up and get out there, buddy.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna use corn.
Yeah, it's corn.
Use corn. Okay. And then on the other hook, we're gonna use the Potski Fireball.
Gonna read it again. Oh, man, no!
Yep.
Ba làm ơi, xì này. Có thấy. Ba này.
Got him.
Yeah.
Got him. Right there. That's a pike minnow.
Yeah, that is good.
That is a pike minnow. He is about 11 inches. Dang. Right there, guys. On a corn. There's about 50 swimming in front of me right here. Okay. Gonna get him out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kìa, bạn ấy tôi sao?
Sure.
Ngon đi bà.
Okay. Ooh, cái này nó rất là thom thom.
Lấy nó ngọt.
Yeah. Got him. I got him.
Come on,
Yeah.
Dad, come on, this is all
I got him.
Oh, man.
Right on the lip. Pike minnow on corn.
Yeah.
Number 6 circle hook. See that, buddy?
Yeah, that's good.
Yep, right there.
It's awesome.
Okay, hold this.
Okay.
There's a lot of pike minnows in the Willamette River. Dang. Okay.
Up. Right. Oh, Barney. No.
No.
What?
Come on.
Mấy anh thấy bán khơi cơ thế.
Yeah.
Mấy khơi cơ bà.
Yeah.
Con vốn này. Mới nhé.
Dừng dư thu dừng. Thơm non đi.
Mấy khơi mày.
Here. Yep. Khơi nói gì?
Yeah. Khơi anh không biết cơ chân hả?
Khơi chẳng what? Có mai bảoว่า what we are clang.
What đó nè.
Yeah.
Hey.
Mở ba thôi nhé. What vậy? Dân ạ, okay?
Hey. Thấy thông khá ná.
Yeah, mạnh thom á, khơi nhé.
Mấy khơi kìa, banana vậy.
Yeah. Tiên, what? Get him, buddy. Yeah. Woo! Nice. You jerked so hard I came out of the water. Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
This is your second pike minnow.
Yeah.
Okay, give me. Yeah.
Here.
There we go. It's a little guy.
Man.
Good job. Yep. Little pike minnow. It's a little guy.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's something.
We saw one about this big. 2 of them right over there.
Not you.
Okay, Ghana.
Okay.
Keep it like that.
Okay.
Kevin couldn't say we
Yeah.
couldn't know yet. I'll bet couldn't I see.
Okay.
The my ton what jump pa tha what jump what.
Okay. Tha.
A line to deer. Give it more line.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
Bawala.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, get him, buddy. Get him. Get him.
Oh, my God.
Woo!
Oh,
Nice job. All right, we got him. We got him right there.
oh, so cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Very voracious. Your first pike minnow. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a baby.
Yeah, just a baby. Just a baby. Right there. Good job, Kevin.
Yeah, say it again.
Okay, อันนี้เราสลับ weird មានច្រើន